know the greatest empire in history collapsed in just 2 generations? 1294, Kublai Khan, Genghis Khan's grandson, dies. The Mongol Empire begins tearing itself apart immediately. The empire was too massive. It stretched from Korea to Hungary, over 24 million square kilometers. No single ruler could control it all. After Kublai's death, Mongol princes fought each other for power. The empire split into 4 separate khanates: the Golden Horde in Russia, the Ilkhanate in Persia, the Chagatai Khanate in Central Asia, the Yuan Dynasty in China. They stopped cooperating. They started competing. Civil wars erupted everywhere. In 1368, Chinese rebels overthrew the Yuan Dynasty. The Mongols were driven back to Mongolia. By 1370, the Ilkhanate collapsed completely. In just 76 years after Kublai's death, the unified Mongol Empire was completely gone, fragmented forever. What took 70 years to build took less than 100 years to destroy. Internal conflict killed the empire, not external enemies. Even the greatest empires fall when unity dies. Follow for more empire collapses.